I should say SmartBridge is my first company, and I started working in SmartBridge in 2016 as an intern. And then I took up IoT projects, and then I became a senior developer for AI ML. I started as an IoT intern, and then I moved my career into AI, then ML. So there was so many technologies. Every day we were like enhancing our skills and all. I worked with a team where people are from different backgrounds and different cultures, yet we encouraged their ideas and we worked together for a common goal. Our mentors or managers were very approachable. It was very special working in SmartBridge because my career started with SmartBridge. As everyone say, first company is the best company, right? I really feel it. I wish SmartBridge a very great success ahead, and it should have more impactful programs like before.